This is me, Listy again. How are you all? See, today I'm going to how to open the 13 Pro Max. Okay, so here we are. This is the 13 Pro Max. See, as you can see, here is there is one arrow. You just take it out, and also the other one. Okay, so yeah, just there is a two arrows, and just open. Yeah, see this one. Here we go. Wow. Oh, there is a power button. There are other features. Volume up and down. So you see, so it will not be scratched when you put upside down. And we have a there is a pin actually designed by Apple. So we have the pin inside and the catalog inside. Okay, and there is an Apple. Wow, catalog and Apple logo also we have it. So, and we have the cable. So there is no adapter here. So that's why I said you have to buy the 20-watt adapter. Okay. Also, see when you buy the transparent cover, see how we can do it. Yeah. Just to put the transparent cover inside, I will just show you. Yeah. See? It's very simple. Wow. See, the transparent cover looks so nice. It's a vibe. See this Spygen, this one is the edge is very nice. You don't feel that you're holding with cover. It's very easy to handle and it looks very good. See, yeah, first I'm going to open this adapter also. Just like that. Yeah, it's open now. Yeah.